Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Facebook account. On your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Click on the Account Center option set in blue fonts. In the Account Center, you will see the Accounts option. Click on it. Tap Remove to unsync your Instagram account from Facebook. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.